is also excellent for the décolleté, right? Great for breast care, but the décolleté, and especially along the collarbone, should be part of your facial routine. We have the platysma that comes up and wraps over the clavicle all the way up to over the jawline. We have the terminus, which is that final destination for lymph in the entire body, right at the base of the neck, supraclavicular triangle right above it. And we get this stickiness in here that starts to anchor down. You've probably seen people have a really tight neck like this, right? So if I pull the tissue here, you can see the tissue in my neck tense up. So the body brush is excellent for that. We can come right along the clavicle. We can do some sweeps in here, right? All in through the shoulders. So I consider the body brush a face and body. It's kind of neck, décolleté, and then also if you are just kind of moving and you're in a hurry or you want to cover a lot of area, or maybe you have someone with a wider, rounder face, lots of congestion and puffiness, the body brush will work. The facial brush. So the facial brush has a little bit longer bristles,